Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. In this video we're gonna do unboxing this Creality K1 Max 3D printer. I got it as a Christmas present from my lovely wife and kids. I'm really excited to open it because I always want to have a 3D printer. And my experience with 3D printing is almost nothing. I did have one before. Probably like 5-6 years ago or so, but it didn't go well. It always breaks. Pretty much I banned that idea, but now with this one, supposed to be pretty good, and with all belt and whistles. Let's open it and see how it looks. We probably gonna set it up a little bit, at least put it together. And the box is big and heavy. The box probably I should say around maybe like 30 pounds or so. Maybe not that heavy, but it's quite heavy. Yeah. Pretty much I don't have much bigger room to do it somewhere else. Pretty much I have to do here. And the packaging actually looks pretty good. It has a nice heavy duty protection corners. On top, pretty much, there's the insert. Let's see. Yeah, it's a foam insert. It has manual on top. Actually, it's a double insert. I hope the camera is gonna show you. And oh, it's on this side it's a glass. I'm glad I didn't toss it. It's okay, but I better leave it the way it is for now, because if I toss it, most likely that glass will not survive. Okay guys, and the 3D printer itself, let me put it on the side and pull it out, the printer from the box, because there's no way I will be able to do that when it's on the table. Wow, it actually looks quite impressive, guys. Quite heavy, and it has a nice rubber feet on the bottom because it doesn't slide on table. Really nice. Here it has some foam protection. Yeah, it's just styrofoam. And then also has another part. Let me bring it a little bit. Another foam. Oh, and there's one more. And pretty much this one contains a power cable. What is it? Oh, it's a LCD display. Okay, nice fancy LCD display. Looks pretty good. Then also there is, let me rotate. Oh. Yeah, there's another box. First thing I thought it's a packaging. No, actually it is box. And this box contains a little box. What's the little box have? Actually has some tools, look like. It has a blade. I call blade, or what's it called? I forgot. Also it has tools. Look like a screwdriver, couple Allen wrenches, and 90-degree range. Look like probably with 6-7 millimeter, maybe 8 millimeter socket. It has a snippers, kind of a nice one. It has a that's a USB stick. Yeah, it has a USB stick, probably preloaded with some stuff. Also has a little tiny wire. I assume it's clean to clean it, extruder, whatever it's called. And what the hell is that? Oh, it's a glue stick. And this little guy, it's a thermal grease, most likely grease it, some shaft, and metal grease. Okay, looks like has everything for to start it. Then also in this container it has a PLA. What the hell is that? Hyper Series 3D printer filament. What kind of filament is that? Oh yeah, PLA white. Hyper PLA. I'm not really sure what's the hyper all about, but then it has what the hell is that? Oh, it's a 4 rubber feet, which is nice. Then it has replacement nozzle. I'm not sure if it's a heavy duty one. It probably is because the center portion it's a steel and the threaded part it's a copper. Probably it is heavy duty one, but like I'm not 100% positive. I don't want to looks like I really know what I'm talking about, since basically it's my first 3D printer because first one never worked. This is a handle, maybe for top glass, maybe for a door itself. Yeah, look like it's door. It's for door itself, and also has look like it's a spindle for holding a filament where it goes. Oh, actually, it goes in the back. Let me show you something. It goes over here, which, to be honest, I don't know if that's the best place to keep it. Well, I assume it depends what kind, how much real estate you got on a desk. It will be nice if it has a second mounting part over here, kinda. Oh, it's a plastic glass. Well, acrylic glass. Feels like probably 2.5, 3 millimeter thick. It's kind of flimsy a little bit. Okay, well then let's put it back on the back for now. And let's go. Oh, and there's one more packaging material. I didn't recognize it. Let me turn it around for you guys, that case you will see what I see. And the front door, it's just glass sitting there. Oh no, it's a door. It has some screws to attach it with hinges. Yep, it's a door. I was kind of afraid I was gonna peel it off tape and all of a sudden the glass is gonna pop and crush it. Or so I want to be on the safe side. Okay. And let's peel it off the things. Not really needed. The glass, it looks pretty good. Oh, and this is one more part. I mean, the protection. Okay, you just basically just lift it and call good. And printing area, I believe it's a 12 by 12 by 12, pretty much 1 square cubic feet maximum volume what can print it. The build wise, actually, it's not bad. I mean, oh, it has inside has a little yellow arrows pointing to some screws. Probably you have to remove it. And yeah, it actually, I'm not sure if you can slide it back and forth without powering. Maybe that's not a good idea. I see the camera is mounted on this side, guys. And it has a camera, it has a LiDAR as well. Oh, the LiDAR is right next to extruder head. Okay, and a little protection from camera. We can remove it. A little tiny one, it's okay. That's a magnetic platform, whatever. It is magnetic. Yeah, it feels like it's a steel. The magnet's probably embedded in the bed itself. The bed has a couple fingerprints. Kind of really bad one. Look like it's almost sticks. This little film, also you have to peel it off. Oh, and actually here it's showing, yes, you have to remove those 3 screws. Can I put that guy back? Oh yeah. Holy crap. That thing sticks really hard. I didn't expect it. Okay, now it's almost pinched my finger. Yeah, that thing's okay, guys. Let's see. Pretty much, let's remove those screws. And to do that, of course, they do provide tools for that. Actually, it has couple spare black screws, which is nice. Screws always nice to have some spares because you never know when you're gonna lose them. Yeah, it's a silver one. You have to remove it. Okay, now looks like pretty much. Sorry, I have to get. Oh, and also we can install a display. And display itself, it doesn't look like it required any screws to be attached. It's just gonna clips on. And it looks like it's almost straightforward. You remove it, tape, and grab it, the cable. The cable, I mean, at least to me, for me, my hand is pretty big. The cable is pretty small, and it's pretty short. That's gonna be one of the tasks to put it in. Okay, pretty much looks like I'm almost good to go. Yeah, it's actually kind of funny. The glass do have a handle, but the door handle you have to install it on your own. That's okay. Yeah. Actually, the printer itself looks pretty good. On the one hand, it will be nice if the upper glass also will have a hinges. It will be nice, you know, like if you can open it 110 degree or so, it will sit that way. I mean, like that. But no, they make the glass removable, and I'm not saying it's smart or not smart. I mean, that's the way they design it, and it's not bad. I mean, there's nothing wrong about that. And the little handle for glass, it's actually looks like it's going straight forward. It's got a couple screws, metal bracket, and metal bracket most like. Let me open it first and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, because I kind of pretty much, yeah, like I said, it has a handle itself. It has a metal bracket, and metal bracket looks like probably because there's a magnet. Oh yeah, it is magnet. Okay. Has couple screws and couple plastic washers. Plastic washers, that's for pretty much the screw going in like that, most likely. They usually goes that way. That's why I'm saying like that. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't care. I mean, those little steps will not really make any difference. And pretty much to put this handle, let me do one screw at a time. Since this plate supposed to be sit behind the glass, screw with little plastic washer, I mean spacer or collar, it goes like that. That case, when you screw it in, it will not, well, it does apply pressure on the plate, but most likely it's gonna be what's called I mean better fitment or so, and it will not crack or break anything, which is good. To be honest, everything else, actually, yeah, the thing is, I feel like I should probably read it manual before I power it and start doing first setup, do some settings, because 3D printer does not just, it's not like a hammer. You buy it and you can use it second later. 3D printer, you better read manuals, make sure you understand how it works, what's supposed to be do and what not supposed to be do, because you probably can screw it up really quick. Let me put the last screw. Okay guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video, because like I said, I mean, without reading manuals, I don't want to go further. So far looks pretty nice, looks like it's a quality build machine, aluminum frame, the inside has multiple bells, steel rods, step motors. Everything looks really good, but like I said, it's my almost first printer. I cannot speak too much about them. Well guys, pretty much that's all guys for this video. If you like it, enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it. Thank you.